say. So
yeah.
New Genesis, but from Hyundai's, those.
Alright guys, so here's where we're at. The old intake manifold is off. We've got the new intake manifold here. And where's the old one? There's the old one. So it's all nice and dusty. And Eli's trying to squeeze back into the garage.
Yeah, I gotta get a vacuum.
And we got the intake ports taken off, or covered up, taped off, because you can see there's some crud down in here we want to kind of vacuum out before we put the new manifolds on. So, yeah. Something that VMP doesn't tell you in these videos is that there's a bunch of little wires and stuff back here that you have to disconnect with the intake manifold on. It's not the easiest thing in the world. How long do you think it take us? Like 30 minutes to get that off?
At least 30 minutes.
Especially since they didn't even show us what the connections were.
Yeah.
And how to take them off.
Yeah, everything's connected like on the bottom over here, which you can see there's stuff in the way. And then on the back right here, which you can see there's also car. And then this clip. And then we're missing, where is this?
That one? Yeah, that one goes on the bottom of the intake. Like it points down. It's how does it like that, like that.
Oh, it goes like this?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Easy to get to.
So there's like 4
with this right there.
Yeah, no,
It's
okay. That's all.
You gonna install it?
Huh?
You gonna install it? So how's it looking? Terrible. See, that side looks mint, but this side looks rough. So we're gonna have to see what we can do here.
Well, yeah, kind of scrapers.
Well, I don't want to do scrapers because then you could put like pits in the metal.
No, not metal ones.
I mean, I can go grab a Scotch-Brite, but I don't know if I want to. All right, John, what do you think of this install on a scale of 1 to 10?
Not bad, really.
Yeah.
5.
A 5? I mean,
I give it 5 wrenches.
okay. How about doing it a second time?
Oh,
Like if we were to
5?
do, if we were doing my car.
Yeah, the only problem is the rear. It's not everything. I thought everything else was gonna be an issue because you look at it, it's all like, oh,
all these hoses and
spaghetti.
shit.
But the only real problem was those 3 or 4 connectors in the back that you just can't reach.
Yeah.
Besides that, I mean, it's back together. So
yeah, I mean, we've got a few hoses. We got some hoses to route around yet and whatnot, but I mean, we've definitely made healthy progress, I would say.
I give it 5 wrenches out of 10.
5 out of 10. So you said 1 being an oil change?
Yeah, 1's definitely an oil change.
Right.
Yeah, this is compared. I thought we were gonna have to do like a gasket when you guys said all that. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, no, they engineered something better than a gasket now. Well, I mean, it is still a gasket, but it's built into the manifold.
Yeah, no, you know what I mean. Like, I thought we were gonna have to be here like scraping, elbow greasing.
We did a little bit.
No, not like, I'm talking scraping.
Yeah, it's not like it's like the
Yeah.
RTD or like with the silicone caulk type deal.
Exactly. It's been on for like 10 years and then it just blows and you're screwed.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is really cool.
I like it.
I learned something new. That it's easier to just bolt stuff together with newer cars, I guess.
But John, older cars are easier to work on.
Yeah, if you know how older cars work.
Yeah, but I mean, we're a bunch of I'm a bunch of
Exactly,
idiots.
we're a bunch of idiots, so we don't know how this is going to turn out. But I guess given from that point, I mean, we're a bunch of idiots and motors back together. And
yeah, I don't think it's going to blow up.
It's got more power.
Hopefully.
He's still got to do the tune or whatever. I don't know anything about that.
Yeah, no, we're going to let Eli do that bit.
You're the one doing this, so you should really be asking yourself, was this an issue? I don't know.
I think I could do it.
I don't think I could work on older cars all the time, but I guess if I learned how to work on older cars,
I think
older cars is
I
like.
think Dylan would be shocked to see me doing this right now.
Yeah.
Like, you know how much he
I wish
kind of
Dylan
like.
still did car stuff. That'd be cool.
Who?
Your brother.
Oh, he does oil changes and stuff.
That's
but-
not car stuff.
Oh,
Well, I
like,
guess it is.
He had that truck for a while.
Yeah, that was cool. I liked him a lot when he had that old truck.
Yeah.
He was always doing like funky, crazy stuff, or he'd always have like, my truck was on fire, but I pulled over, took care of it, and we're here, and everything's fine, everything's good. That was really, I liked Dylan back then. Like, he was his like truck always all the time. Like,
Yeah.
that was like his like persona, and it was also like a really cool.
It was cool. Square body,
Yeah,
84 pickup.
Yeah, it was sweet.
Wasn't anything fancy, but
yeah, but
it still got the job done.
what trucks are never really supposed to be fancy, especially cool ones. They're always like those like old Chevy square bodies or old GMCs are really nice too.
Yeah.
You know, they're nothing fancy.
Uh.
I like those old Studebaker dualies. Those aren't fancy. Those are like the complete opposite of fancy.
Right.
What's up, guys? Here's
What's
Eli.
up?
I'm Kai Wise. Charlotte Racing Leads Eli from Blacktop Excursions. We're gonna do a little vlog on our Jersey Mike run.
No, I missed it.
That thing was huge. Look at the this is a turkey or a buzzard or something.
This is the life, the bouncing roads.
Oh man, North Carolina.
Well, it's also performance pack Mustang life.
Very touchy throttle. There's a big ball right here.
Just hit the minivan, it'll be okay.
This e-brake keeps.
Trust me, mine does the same thing. Like if I have something in my pocket in my leg, it keeps pushing it up.
I don't have anything but a lot of money in my pocket that's pushing that.
Oh, wads of money. You can hear that. Oh,
Uh-oh.
Mr. Big Money.
This is the bottom.
Yep, this is it right here. Whoa. None of this is going to be usable, but we're going to do this anyway.
Turn left on Indian Trail Fairview Road.
All right, PT Cruiser rolling in hard.
These brakes are something serious. 6-piston Brimbos, they're very touchy.
Skirt, skirt. The blinded by the light. Whoa. If we die, this is my last will and testament. Kai Wise, I will haunt you for the rest of your life. Well, that's if you live, but if we both die, I'm gonna haunt. I don't know. We'll figure something out.
I think I got 9 lives. I got 8 left.
You got 8 left.
Yeah, I got 8 left. This is not electronic, by the way. It's not a 370Z or the new 20.
You shaking with it, you playing with it.
Oh, I like shaking with it a little bit. Oh, there's no traffic. I don't know if I can turn.
Oh, there we go. Green means go.
Oh, you're right.
We can do it. That's some sweet shifting footage.
Oh, green light.
Green light means go.
Independence Boulevard.
Drift it.
Oh, I'm not gonna do that.
Drift boy.
Mustang things are not allowed today.
Mustang things are not allowed today.
We'll get on a little bit. Oh, it's a red light. I think the last one I went on was a Supra, but it's a, I think he had some overheating issues, but other than that, it was, these people are looking at us like, what the heck is going on? Eli, Mother Goose. Eli is called Mother Goose. Eli pissing everybody off. Had to get his sweet tea. Whole line waiting. He does not care. Alrighty. For the
tubes. Sorry for the tubes.
Oh, let's not get hit. Oh, it's gotta be 6. Whoa, look at this. WS6 Fire Chicken. Nice. Really nice. 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 Hey.
Your tour guide of Sun Valley, Kai Wise, ex-racer extraordinaire. Yeah, unless you're gonna go through that ravine over there, I don't think you would have made it.
Oh man, these birds.
You guys hear the excuses, right? Big foot. I got a big foot. I can't drive.
Oh, we gotta let the donk out.
Oh, you gotta let the donk out. Oh my gosh.
Down, turn and screw it.
Oh, he rolling dirty.
There's 2 types of black guys in this world, guys. There's guys who have the Mustangs and Corvettes, and then there's guys who like the donks. But that being said, I've seen some pretty wicked fast donks, let me tell you.
Travis is gonna kill me for
horsepower,
putting my hand in front of the video.
turboed, freaking monsters. He needs, I think he needs to change his emergency brakes, buddy. Travis, change your emergency brakes. Am I on the right side? Oh yeah. I took a wild guess and it was right. Let's save a quick buck.
87.
87?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
87.
Remember, 93 doesn't do anything.
Yeah, there you go. It's gonna be 87.
87.
Ah,
That regular life.
regular life.
Whoever you think will have the parts that we need.
I guess in advance, hopefully. You got the hose? All right.
God, I think my brakes might finally need to be changed.
Yeah.
Battling cameras, huh?
Battling
Huh?
cameras. Oh,
Your camera's not good enough for this?
On the hunt. Donna. Donna. Donna.
Separate slides so we can put a bigger hose on it.
Okay.
And then we have vacuum hose in the back.
Okay. Yeah, we probably need a few inches of vacuum hose, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have like those large diameter stuff like that?
Just try maybe out. See you, bro. Take care.
You too.
Now, we got everything back together. The intake manifolds on, we got everything kind of wrapped around. It's not the simplest thing, and the cold air intake doesn't like to work as well as it did when we got it
I haven't
off.
raced any 10 speeds.
So, got a battery hooked
I know
up.
everything else though. I'm good.
So we're ready for tuning. And Joe made it, finally.
Now, but after he does it, even at 130, he's still 2 cars, or a car, maybe 1 or 2 cars behind me.
Hey, Eli.
Yeah.
You know, before you hook up the tuner and start your tuning process, you probably want to try to crank the damn thing up to see if everything's hooked up right. It's not leaking fuel or anything.
Well, it's saying to do this first, so it's already been started. We can't.
No pressure.
Well, it'll back up the. I mean, I've got the tune from the other thing. I can retune it to.
Not if it breaks it. Oh, you're talking about the 4 tune?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was one of the things I loved about like the 3-valve S197 is that you can change the colors of the.
Yeah, you can go into my color and change everything.
So you know what's messed up, man? I've like grown around like Mustangs my entire life. Never been old enough to drive one, and or own one until like now. Like my mom's had like. I think
Somebody's having fun.
Somebody's getting it, boy. You heard that second gear?
Oh, 07 Saline, a silver one. Oh, dude, I wish she kept that thing. It had a white Hurst shifter on it. She didn't keep it. She said it was scary or something. She was too much car. That makes sense.
That's why. And I was looking at Mustang Hey, you videotaping me? Hey, follow me on Instagram, Kyle Wise, Charlotte Racing League.
Plug.
Shameless plug. We're not throwing any codes, are we?
I'm gonna get the other OBD2 and hook it up to the laptop.
Oh, so what happened?
It won't program it. It keeps throwing a code, a 130002 code.
Oh, so this is the base tune?
This is the Ford performance tune still.
Oh.
So I'm thinking about reverting it to stock
And then trying
again.
Okay, okay. All right, guys. So this is not the new tune yet. So there's a check engine light, or not a check engine light, but an error code on the tuner that is stopping it from loading the new tune. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're trying to get this tune fixed, or put the original equipment tune onto the motor, and see if we can't get it to work. And hopefully we can, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys. So they got the ECU flashback to stock. They're putting in the tuner right now, and they're going to see if they can get the code to clear.
White people in white tank
Oh!
yelling.
Even the truck, I don't really.
How many steps are there to this?
Don't test the vehicle.
I wish they would have changed that to be like a VMP logo.
That'd be cool.
I don't think anybody wants a VMP logo on their Mustang.
You're probably going to put that VMP sticker on here somewhere.
Oh, underneath the hood somewhere.
Thanks for watching another Blacktop Excursions video. That's going to do it for this one. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and leave a comment. Let us know what you think of our install. Where did we go wrong? Because we probably did something wrong. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.